Hello, so here we've got the barbecue pizza oven from the renowned brand Barbecue House. On our travels, we've always liked the idea of cooking a pizza outside. The Ooni pizza oven though, I think that's how you pronounce it, Ooni, is over £200, so thought we'd check this one out from Home Bargains in the UK. General, a shop where you can find a bit of everything. So in here is your ceramic pizza stone. It'll get nice and hot and give it a crispy base, hopefully. Instructions to read carefully. And in here is the oven itself, upside down. On top you can see there you've got your thermometer, which goes up to a nice 350 degrees Celsius. I've heard that you want it between 200 and 250 degrees really for a pizza, so it'll be interesting to see if we can get it to that temperature. Obviously the main difference between this one and the Ooni pizza oven is this one sits on top of a barbecue or a fire, whereas that one's got its own little chute that you can put pallets in or some sort of fuel, and the fire's in there with your pizza like a traditional pizza oven. This is obviously just to go on top of the barbecue, but if it means we can do decent pizzas outside whilst we're travelling, then that would be nice. So assembly is literally as simple as putting that ceramic stone into it, taking it out of the packaging. So we've got the oven in place now. It's not, as you can see, it's not on a barbecue, it's just on some bricks with a wood fire inside the bricks. So instead of being a barbecue pizza oven, we're treating this as a campfire sort of pizza oven. And it's heating up already. It's at a roasting hot 50 degrees. We've got it to 200 degrees Celsius, that is. So it's taken about 20 minutes with the fire roaring under it. What I will say about this thermometer on the top is it seems a bit up and down. Like, look at it now, it's shooting up to about 225 degrees and then it'll drop back down again. So anyway, pizza's about to go in. Let's see how it cooks a pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
That's it, all done. Oh crikey! Puffed up quite a bit and it looks blackened, but there you go. That's taken 9 minutes exactly. Looks like a pizza. Time to try it. So I thought the pizza was pretty good, but let's see what the true connoisseur thinks. What do you reckon, Blue? Seems to like it. So the oven's now at 300 degrees Celsius. Second pizza going in.
It's bubbling up.
So here's the second pizza cooked in the oven at about 250 degrees Celsius. Overall verdict is pretty good. Very crispy base.
It's like soft still here.
Yeah. Something weird's happened on this corner. It's like, it looks
stuff.
like, yeah, the smoke's done it, but it's been smoked, hasn't it,
seals
rather
like
than
smoke.
cooked.
Yeah, what is cooked?
Like a smoked salmon.
It's what's I say?
Anyway, we're about to eat this, and the verdict is decent little pizza barbecue oven for £30 Home Bargains.